Hi guys, my name is Usman. Today we are going to discuss about how to make a brooder easily. So these are newborn chicks about like 2 days or 3 days, and I make one by one, and like 8 inches height of box. It is going to close it like that. Be sure it have a net on the upside, and then I have just put it around 7 watt of LED bulb, which is enough for these chicks. If they want heat, they come near to it and get the heat. Also, I have secured it by the tape, otherwise they might get electrocuted by that, so we don't want it. And it just simply plug into the 220 volt, and it's just like this, working like that. So they are getting enough heat for them. If they want the heat, they go near to it, and when they want to go get some cool down, they get away from it. So that's how it's working. It's working very great, and they are happy, very happy. And there is a thing that you don't have to put the water, otherwise they are going to play with that water or might get drowned in it. So be sure that you have to make them drink water by this kind of bottle cap 3 times a day, and then put it back. Otherwise they are going to play with the water and it's going to get dirty around them. And be sure not to put the water in a big bowl or big cup, otherwise they are going to get drowned in it. If you are putting it, be sure to put some marbles in that, so they don't get drowned. See, they are very happy with it. It's not getting any kind of consumption of electricity. Even if you put it like 24 hours, it doesn't generate that much electricity bill. So I am feeding them breadcrumbs. If they want to eat it, they eat. And you have to change the newspaper around like every 3 days, and that's it. Be sure to make your chicks go out of the box every day, one time a day for about like 1 hour, so they get to explore the whole city by themselves. See, so yeah, that's how you are going to make a brooder. This is very simple brooder. You can see it just like that. From the far time like this, it opens like that. It's only a one bulb. So you can make this kind of brooder by yourself, and you can put about like 20 chicks in it. 20 chicks is enough for it. So that's the video about how to use the brooder, how to make the brooder, because it is very simple to make it. If you want a bigger brooder, you have to use the thermostat with it, and you can check my other videos where I have a tutorial where I am teaching how to make the professional kind of brooder. So please subscribe and like this video if it helps. Thank you. Bye bye.